guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm the mompreneur here behind A Crafty Concept. In today's video, I want to show you some trends and tips and ways to market your crochet business in January to help you set the month up for success. So in this video, I'm going to be going through my 2021 content planner for crocheters. That is a free download you can get through the link below. You subscribe to my email list and it will come to your inbox automatically, and then you will also get all kinds of awesome freebies, updates whenever new blog posts go live on my blog, whenever new videos go live here on YouTube, all of the things. My email list people are my favorite humans on the planet and I spoil them as much as possible. So go ahead and sign up to that through the link below and you will also get the 2021 Crocheters content calendar. For this video, we're going to talk all about January. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to my screen, pull up the content calendar and go through it with you guys for how to succeed with your crochet business in January. Okay, here is the January 2021 content calendar. Let's just dive in and start by talking about all of the holidays and social media holidays that you can use to market your crochet without saying, hey, go buy my thing. So we've got New Year's Day. That's a great day to go onto social media, talk about your goals, your plans for the year, what you'd like to accomplish in your business, what you would like to accomplish in your personal life. This is just a great way to connect with your ideal customer, let them get to know you a little bit more as a human being behind the brand. Then we have Sci-Fi Day on the 2nd. If this applies to you and your business, definitely celebrate this day. If you sell aliens or really weird sci-fi things, I don't know. If you do, you know what I'm talking about. You will know if it's for you or not. But if it makes sense to your business, if your ideal customer is really into sci-fi, they watch sci-fi movies on Netflix, they read sci-fi novels before they go to bed, definitely celebrate this day with your ideal customer on social media and take a picture of some of the things that you sell that's sci-fi related and say happy sci-fi day. And then maybe they will just message you and be like, oh my gosh, I love the alien you posted on your social media. Do you sell that? And then you can say, yeah, I do. Here's a link to my Etsy shop. The 4th is National Trivia Day. This could be really fun for your stories on Instagram. Since it's National Trivia Day, you could pop up some trivia questions in your stories through the questions box or the poll box or the quiz box. There's a couple different options that you could use on Instagram stories. To give your ideal customer some trivia questions, you can do trivia about you, trivia about your brand, or just trivia about something that your ideal customer would be interested in. So for me at A Crafty Concept, my ideal customer is interested in crochet things. So I could do trivia about crochet things like, do you know the difference between these two types of hooks? Or which of these yarns is a 4-weight yarn? Or which of these yarns is from We Crochet, something like that. Just like a 5 to 10 question trivia quiz type thing in your stories for your ideal customer to get to play with you and engage on your platform. This will help boost your engagement on the entire platform, so the next time you post something or share something in your stories, Instagram is going to be more likely to show it to the people who engaged with your stories. And little fun quizzes, trivia quizzes that are ideal customer specific is a great way to get engagement. January 5th is National Bird Day. If that applies to you or your ideal customer or things that you sell, celebrate National Bird Day with your audience. The 11th is Clean Off Your Desk Day. That's one that any entrepreneur can celebrate by taking a picture of their desk, either really messy or really clean, and talk about getting organized for the new year. Everybody in January is all about getting organized. So if you make posts talking about getting organized in your business and ask for tips from your ideal customer, like what are your organization tips? If your ideal customer is a bunch of mompreneurs, like my ideal customer is here at A Crafty Concept, maybe you can say, what is your go-to desk organization must-haves? I need all of the tips. People love to give advice and opinions and feedback, so if you ask for it in your social media posts, you're going to get more comments and likes and engagement throughout your social media, all of the things that you post down there. Another thing you can do for this post is to give your best tips for organizing your desk, and that will encourage people to save the post on Instagram, the little bookmark image, which will also lead to more engagement on your platform. The 13th is National Sticker Day. I had to put a little picture of my Gracie doll stickers there. I sell stickers. I will be celebrating this day. Maybe you don't sell stickers, but you've wanted to include them in your orders, or you've wanted to start selling them or something like that. this would be a great day to say, hey, all orders placed on today, National Sticker Day, will come with a free sticker. And then you can order your stickers ahead of time through Sticker Mule. I have a post showing you how to do that. I will link it below for you guys, and a referral link to give you $10 off your first order also. So saving you some money, getting you some professionally made stickers in large quantities. I think the smallest is 50, and then you can use those throughout your business, but definitely on National Sticker Day to say, hey, all orders placed today, January 13th, will come with a free sticker as a thank you and in celebration of National Sticker Day. The 15th is National Hat Day. I can't think of a more appropriate day for crocheters to celebrate. Take a picture of you wearing one of the hats that you sell in your shop. Celebrate National Hat Day. That is it. For something like me, where my ideal customer is other business owners, I could make a post about it's National Hat Day. List all the hats that you wear in your business right now, or what are all the hats that you're wearing in your business today? Because we wear all of the hats as entrepreneurs or solo entrepreneurs. We're the marketing team, we're the copywriting team, we're the photography team, we're the customer service team. So we get to wear all of those hats. So that's a fun way that I could celebrate it with my ideal customer. But for your ideal customer, maybe she is a mom and you sell messy bun beanies, and you post a picture of you wearing a messy bun beanie with your messy bun out and say, Mom Bun getting things done, something like that. So your ideal customer can feel emotionally engaged with you and interact with your post easier because they are emotionally engaged in the post that you are making, if that makes any sense. The 18th is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. That is a wonderful day, a glorious day. So make a mental note of that. The 20th of January is Cheese Lovers Day. I myself am a cheese lover. So if you have a crocheted mouse that you sell in your shop, mice love cheese. So you could talk about it. You could say, here's a specific example. I recently got this book from my friend Sarah D, and there's a full video review of this book. I will post it in the description below so you guys can check it out. But one of the patterns that she has in this book is a little mouse. So I could take a picture of Mel. If I sold these 5 dolls, she's got 5 different amigurumi style crochet patterns here. If I sold these in my shop and Mel was one of my statement pieces in my shop, I could share a picture of him. Don't have him holding his cookie, just have him standing there and say, it's National Cheese Lovers Day. Guess who's excited? Mel loves cheese. I can never get him to stop eating cheese. Do something like that. Like, tell a story, make it fun, make it interactive. So that's a great way to celebrate a day like National Cheese Lovers Day in your crochet business. So definitely get creative, think outside of the box, and do what makes sense for your business and your ideal customer. If you want to brainstorm some ideas, post it in the comments. Like, that just came to my brain. Post it in the comments below what you sell, or a link to your Instagram, or a link to your Etsy shop, and I will try to give you some suggestions for how to celebrate one of these days. So tell me what you sell, or a link to something, and then tell me which day you're trying to celebrate, and I will try to help you brainstorm some ideas. The 21st is Get to Know Your Customers Day. This is a great day for you to reach out to your people and ask them questions about themselves, but make sure they're very intentional. Don't just say, what are you doing today? Nothing. Ask them specific questions about them. What is your favorite way to fix your girl's hair, your daughter's hair? What is your favorite product for this? Like, be specific to your ideal customer. So for my Etsy shop, Wild Grace, coming soon, my ideal customer is boho baby girl moms. So I could say, get to know your customer day. I want to hear about your daughter's first birthday. I love throwing birthday parties. My daughter's 6th birthday is coming up, and I would just love to hear about your daughter's first birthday. Like, make it something specific that your ideal customer would be compelled to share with you. January 23rd is National Pie Day. That's exciting. Oh, I have another friend. If you need a fun way to celebrate National Pie Day, I would suggest this book, Crochet Cafe, from my friend Lauren. She has a very cute pie. Let me find him. Here it is at the end. Sweet. Pun intended, because pies are sweet. You could share one of these guys for National Pie Day. How cute would that be? You can make blueberry or cherry or any type of pie that your little heart desires, and ask your ideal customer, what's your favorite pie? It's National Pie Day. Are you a pie lover? What is your favorite pie? That is a very simple question that they can easily and quickly answer in your comments to help you boost your engagement. Even if you don't sell amigurumi, you could still post a crocheted pie for this day because it's crocheted, so it makes sense to your brand, even if you don't sell them. Not every single post that you make on social media is set up to sell something. Social media is for building relationships with your ideal customer, and if they get to know you better as a human and know that you like blueberry pie, and then you are interested in what kind of pie they like, that's going to help you get sales in the long run. So don't be afraid if every single post that you make is not geared towards selling. Nobody wants to follow accounts like that anyway. January 24th is National Compliment Day. How fun is that day? I think you could post a picture of yourself or a picture of your daughter or something like that and say, hey, today's National Compliment Day. Leave a comment below and I will go comment a compliment on one of your most recent pictures. How fun would that be? Like spreading the love. That would be really super fun and a great way to get some engagement on your Instagram post. The 25th is Opposite Day. You can celebrate that any way that makes sense for your brand. So Wild Grace is boho baby girl moms. I could talk about, is your daughter your mini me, or is she the complete opposite of you? That would be a fun way to talk about Opposite Day. And I could post a picture of me and my daughter and say we are similar in these ways, but she is more like my husband, which makes us opposites. That would be a really fun way to celebrate Opposite Day on the 25th. So it gives you something to post about, helps your ideal customer get to know you more, and helps you create relationships with your ideal customer and get engagement on your post. So that would be a really fun thing to do on that day. The 26th is Australia Day. If you have an Australian audience or if you are an Australian maker, this would be a super fun day to celebrate with your ideal customer. The 28th is Data Privacy Day. I don't know how you would celebrate that, but I am not you. There is a good chance that you would have a way to celebrate it, so I put it on here. I'm just trying to put all of the social media holidays that I could come across. Even if I don't have some good examples for you, let your brain do the thinking. Get creative. If Data Privacy Day makes sense to you and your ideal customer and your brand, then you should post about it on the 28th. Also, we've got 2 more dates down here that couldn't fit on the calendar. The 11th is Human Trafficking Awareness Day, and the 21st is National Hugging Day. I don't know how National Hugging Day is going to go with COVID season. We're not supposed to touch each other. You could talk about how you miss giving hugs all the time if you are a hugger, or if you miss getting hugs all the time. Or you can talk about how you are glad that you don't have to hug people right now because you are not a hugger and you enjoy your personal space. That's just another easy way to let them get to know you better as the person behind the brand. And then you can ask them, are they a hugger? Are they not a hugger? Blah, 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 and figure out more about your ideal customer and build relationships with them. So it's a win-win. These are all great posts that you could do on social media. Other than social media, you could also use this stuff to help get sales, like National Sticker Day we mentioned, National Hat Day. You could make your hats 10% off just on that day only in celebration of National Hat Day. So you can use these social media holidays to also drive more sales to your shop. And then I have a little tidbit down here about January, just so we can get in the right mindset. It says January is the month of rejuvenation. Folks are focusing on goal setting, self-care, and all areas of health. Now would be a great time to promote self-care items like crafty face rounds, crafty loop earrings, and crafty boho earrings. The earrings are more of a treat yourself kind of thing, like love yourself, buy yourself some earrings. You could also promote home decor pieces like the crafty boho pillow with a home revitalization marketing message. So think about this. Think about what your folks are doing in January. Put yourself in place of your ideal customer's head and figure out how you can help her plan out her January based on your area of expertise and what your business is all about. So definitely some things to think about. I hope you guys found this super helpful, and I hope that you got some great ideas for how to market your crochet products in January. I will put links to all the things I mentioned below, including the pattern shout outs here at the bottom of the page. Also, if you would like to get the 2021 content planner, you can have all this stuff up front, plan for it weeks, months in advance. You can plan your entire year by printing this planner off and circling or highlighting any of the dates that you want to make sure you focus on, and then planning your content around what people are doing during the certain month. So every month has a little bit of a different tidbit for what people are usually doing this time of year, and you can plan your content, your sales, your products around what is trending and already going top of mind for people. So grab the freebie down below by signing up to my email list. I would be more than happy to send it to you. I will see you guys. I'm going to start doing these throughout the entire year. I'm going to make marketing videos to go out near the beginning of the month, like the 1st or the 30th of the previous month, to get you guys in the right mindset for the new month. So subscribe to this YouTube channel if that is something you are interested in. I love, love, love brainstorming marketing. Like, that is my favorite thing to talk about. So I will be doing these videos once a month. I'm very excited about them. I think they're going to be super fun and hopefully super duper helpful to you and your business as well. So hit that subscribe button, give it the likes, all the things. And last but not least, if you want some brainstorming time with me, post in the comments what we talked about earlier in the video. Let me know what you sell and let me know what day you would like to celebrate on social media. Like, if you want to celebrate Cheese Lovers Day, say, Ashley, I want to celebrate Cheese Lovers Day. Here's what I sell. Here's my ideal customer. Here's a link to my Instagram. And I was like, oh, here's some ways you can celebrate Cheese Lovers Day. So I will be spending some time in the comments below to help you guys out. All right, that is all I have for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.